Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming permission. You must own the file or have authorization. Once confirmed, open Excel, enable the Developer tab, and allow macros in Trust Center. Make a quick backup now so you can revert if something goes wrong. Next, press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. This gets you where the Unprotect command runs. You will target the specific worksheet object. Select it in Project Explorer so subsequent commands act on the correct sheet. Once in VBA, use the immediate window or insert a short module. Type Active Sheet. Unprotect your password if you know it or specify worksheets, sheet name. Unprotect for a named sheet. If the sheet had no password at creation, run Unprotect. That removes protection immediately. Execute the line with Enter in immediate window or place the command inside a sub and press F5. This directly toggles the sheet protection state, restoring editable cells and formatting controls. Finish by testing edits. Try formatting a cell and entering data to confirm protection is removed, then save your workbook. If the Unprotect line fails, make sure workbook structure protection is off and the file is not shared or protected by external services. Once done, re-enable any macros you need and lock the sheet again if necessary. A key troubleshooting tip: if Unprotect reports an error, recheck the exact sheet name and password spelling, and ensure macros are actually enabled before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.